Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to log out of Happn application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Happn application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Happn if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom left corner, we have the Explorer. We also have the hub, and we have the map. We have the likes, and at the end, in the bottom right corner, we have the chat. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and log out of Happn application. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, open the Happn app. So launch the Happn app on your mobile device, as I told you in the start of the video. Then tap on the settings icon in the app. You can check out the settings icon in the icon in the bottom top right corner, and then scroll down and click on settings, which is, as you can see, the middle thing. Then when you're here, as you can see, when you scroll down, you have the logout button. By logging out, you won't receive notifications when you get a super crush, a new message, or a crush. Note that you will still be visible to other users while logging out. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.